Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up some Hot Wheels 2021 A-Case cars. So the first car is a Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, number 8 out of 250. Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, 23.
Everything changes.
Barbie Dream Camper, 21.
Life.
Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno, 31. X34 Landspeeder, 12.
Life.
'70 Dodge Power Wagon, number 3. '32 Ford, 21. '96 Porsche Carrera, 16.
Everything changes.
'64 Corvette Stingray, 10.
Life.
So my favorite car out of all these is probably the Landspeeder. I would have picked the 32 Ford if they made it number 1 out of 250 for 2021. So here's a picture that Randy K sent me for winning the mini set unboxing. So the A-Case giveaway winner is Plymouth Superbird. So congrats Plymouth Superbird for winning these cars. You have 2 weeks to either DM me on Instagram or email me to claim your prize. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite car is out of all 9 of these 2021 A-Case cars.
Life.